In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable DRM content in Mozilla Firefox. If you use Mozilla Firefox to watch online videos or stream media, you may come across websites that rely on digital rights management, also known as DRM, to deliver protected content. Some streaming services require DRM before they will play certain videos, while others may use it to provide higher quality playback. Firefox gives you the option to enable or disable DRM content, depending on your preferences. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting and how to change it. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser has loaded, click the application menu in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines and provides access to Firefox's settings and other browser features. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open the browser's configuration page. After the Settings page opens, open the Tabs and Browsing section. Then continue scrolling a little farther until you find the section labeled Digital Rights Management, or DRM, content. This section contains the option that controls whether Firefox is allowed to play DRM-protected media. If you want Firefox to play websites that require DRM-protected content, simply select the checkbox labeled Play DRM-controlled content. Once the checkbox is enabled, Firefox will allow supported websites to use DRM when it's required for media playback. This may be necessary for certain streaming platforms or websites that deliver protected video content. If you prefer not to allow DRM-controlled content, clear the checkbox instead. Disabling the option prevents Firefox from using DRM for protected media. Keep in mind that some websites may not be able to play certain videos or may offer limited functionality when DRM is turned off. In some cases, websites may display a message asking you to enable DRM before protected content can be viewed. The setting is applied immediately after you change it, so there's no need to restart Firefox. Once you've selected your preferred option, you can simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing as normal. If you ever need to change the setting again, return to the same Digital Rights Management content section in Firefox Settings and update the checkbox accordingly. Firefox allows you to switch between enabling and disabling DRM whenever your needs change. That's all there is to it. Enabling or disabling DRM content in Mozilla Firefox only takes a few moments and gives you control over how the browser handles protected media playback on supported websites. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,